Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let's take a look at the headlines. India's cumulative COVID-19 vaccination coverage nears 10 crore. Over 9 crore 78 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccines administered so far. NAGRIMS Director Dr. Prithvis Bhattacharya stresses on creating a mass awareness to address COVID vaccine hesitancy. Meghalaya government to allow students affected by COVID-19 to appear later for board examinations, says Education Minister Lakmin Rimboy. And along with the rest of the world, Meghalaya celebrates World Homeopathy Day with day-long programs. The news in detail. India's cumulative COVID-19 vaccination coverage nears 10 crore. COVID-19 vaccination drive across the country is near to a landmark achievement. The Health and Family Welfare Ministry informed that over 9 crore 80 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been already administered to beneficiaries across the country. In the last 24 hours, over 34 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been inoculated to the beneficiaries. The ministry informed that maximum number of over 1,45,000 new cases have been reported in the country in the last 24 hours. With the surge in COVID-19, besides the arrival of the second strain, there is no denying now that dispelling misinformation, countering vaccine hesitancy would be vital to beat this dreaded disease. A key reason for vaccine hesitancy in India today appears to be related to possible side effect and adverse events. Echoing a similar view, NAGRIMS Director Dr. Prithvis Bhattacharya has stressed on creating a mass awareness on the efficacy of vaccine. Allaying fears of adverse effects of vaccine, Dr. Bhattacharya informed that not a single instance of side effects had been reported by the NAGRIMS healthcare workers who have been vaccinated.
One is the role of the social media. It has played a very big role in developing COVID-19 hesitancy. If it had been a positive input from the beginning, then this panic reaction and hesitation would not have come. We have to ensure that COVID vaccine hesitancy goes away. Now, why? There are 2-3 causes. One was the fear, which by now people know that you really don't have any major reactions. Okay. The other thing is, everybody says, what is in it for me? If you take 2 doses of COVID vaccine, your chances of infection go down. You can use it as a passport, and if you're going out of the state and coming back to our state, a COVID vaccine certificate that should ensure that you are permitted to come in unhindered, provided you don't have fever. Complaint after vaccination in NAGRIMS till date.
Meghalaya government has decided to allow candidates who tested positive for COVID-19 to appear for the board exams at a later date, provided they produce RT-PCR certificate to prove that they were suffering from COVID-19. The decision was taken by a meeting convened by the Education Minister Lakmin Rimboy on Friday to review the preparedness of the Meghalaya Board of School Education for conducting the board examinations.
Could not appear exam due to the contract of this COVID, they will be given chance to appear, provided afterwards, provided they give the RT-PCR certificate that they are suffering from COVID. So this is the decision which we are taking, because as we know that this year we have so many candidates who will appear for this SSLC exam.
Along with the rest of the World Homeopathy Day was celebrated in Meghalaya today to pay tribute to homeopathy and its founder, the German physician Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann. To mark the day, the Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Mawdyangdyang, Shillong, today organized a program at its campus. Professor Dr. Samir Kumar Bhattacharya, former director, National Institute of Homeopathy, Kolkata, graced the occasion as a chief guest. In his speech, Professor Dr. Samir Kumar Bhattacharya urged students who have come to study homeopathy to be sincere in the profession. A similar program was organized by the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, West Jayanta Hills, along with the Department of Ayush to mark the day at Peppale Community Hall, Jawai. Additional Deputy Commissioner D.D. Singh I graced the occasion as a chief guest in the presence of the MNHO Dr. K.C. Ajar.
A person who wishes to get
tell you that when you have accidentally or with your dedication you have come to homeopathy, read homeopathy. If there is any doubt, may come to the seniors. If you have got any doubt regarding homeopathy, I will be here today. You can come to me, we can discuss. Your doubts should be clear, definitely. But once your doubts are clear, be dedicated to the homeopathic system. There will be no dearth of your any scope in your life. And
The Sinjuk Kiwahe Chnong Jawai organized a mass cleaning drive at Wa Mintru, which kickstarts by a short gathering at Yamusyang Market. The meeting was also attended by the District Administration Head's Deputy Commissioner Garod L.S.N. Dykes, who flagged off the cleaning drive. The function was also attended by the Daloy Elaka Jawai Puramom Kinjing as a guest of honor, whereas the program was chaired by the President of Sinjuk Wahe Chnong Jawai Alan Nyangti. Speaking on the occasion, Garod stressed on maintaining cleanliness of the banks of the rivers. People from different localities of Jawai town participated in the drive. The Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority, in collaboration with the District Legal Services Authority, East Jayanta Hills District and the District Labour Department, yesterday organized a one-day legal awareness program on the rights and benefits of workers in the unorganized sector. In her address, N.M. Momin, officer on special duty, Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority, Shillong, informed that the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority provides free legal aid and free legal services to the poor and the needy.
Poor and needy, and to the people who are entitled to free legal aid and services as mentioned in Section 12 of the Legal Services Authorities Act. So in the districts also we have the District Legal Services Authorities. So in Clariat we have the Secretary of the District Legal Services Authority is Shri Daniel S. Madhavan, who is with us here today.
Now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 25.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 15.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 65%, while in the evening was 36%. 0.4 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Forecast: light rain or thundershowers is likely to occur at isolated places in Meghalaya. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. Before you wind up, here are the headlines once again. India's cumulative COVID-19 vaccination coverage nears 10 crore, over 9 crore 78 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccines administered so far. NAGRIM's director Dr. Prithvis Bhattacharya stresses on creating a mass awareness to address COVID vaccine hesitancy. Meghalaya government to allow students affected by COVID-19 to appear later for board examinations, says Education Minister Lakmin Rimboy. And along with the rest of the world, Meghalaya celebrates World Homeopathy Day with day-long programs. The battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. Wear mask, maintain social distancing and wash hands frequently. That's all we have in the news. Until then, good night and stay safe.